I have a list of all these attributes here. There are 12 attributes,
Can
which
you
I
read it?
want. The first one is effective intelligence.
Mm-hmm.
Second one is reasoning ability. So, how to enhance reasoning ability? What you suggest to your viewers and to me as well?
I think in this one you should suggest.
The reasoning ability of a person is simply how he has taken the things. It is basically questioning the things. Like if I
Hmm.
am going anywhere, then why I am going at that direction. This is the thing. If I am doing something, then why I am doing something. This is the reasoning ability. So basically, to enhance that, if you find any situation in which you can ask question, then do ask like what this happen, how this happen, and why this happen.
I think we
So
should prepare accordingly. We should ask question to ourselves, what we can do in that situation and how we can deal with it.
yes, like many peoples are if any instruction is given to them, they do
Mm-hmm.
not think much about that. They just follow that instruction. They do not ask question of that why this thing happen and why this should not happen. That can also be the case. And asking question is basically enhance your reasoning ability. That is the core of this topic.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So before proceeding to actions, you need to ask questions.
Hmm.
That
Right.
moreover, there is organizing ability, as we already discussed, and then the power of expression, how effectively you express the things.
Yeah.
Like I am delivering something, I am giving a lecture, I am giving a speech. That is a different thing. But how effectively you can deliver that? What is your expression? How effectively people understand that? Like if I just read out the sentences, that is not a way in which people are interested. People need some expression, some power in the speaker, you know.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
And what things to be done to enhance that?
How we can effectively deliver our thoughts.
Yes, you know,
This I.
there are two people. They are they are delivering the same things. They have the same sentences, but one can deliver with a more power, with more expression than the another one. So to enhance that thing, what need to be done? Basically, that is the question.
Uh, Firstly, we should decide what are the things are important. For example, if you are choosing any topic, so we have lot of things around on that topic. So you have to decide like what can be the more powerful here or more important here that you can discuss. And second thing, you have to moderate your voice according to the
Yes,
sentence.
voice modulation,
Voice
right, right.
modulation, yes. So you have to do these activities and what you can do.
Like you are very right. Voice modulation is the very effective thing, and you need to do that first for enhancing your power expression. Like what I started doing and what I am currently doing is I watching news channels in English, and
Mm-hmm.
then I try to speak in that voice modulation only, in which the speaker was delivering the news.
Mm-hmm.
So that thing definitely enhance your pronunciation, your power of expression, and your holistic enhancement of expression. That thing will definitely work. Voice
Yes.
modulation. And what other you can do is talk to people. That is the only other way you can do.
Yes.
Go and just talk to people wherever you got a chance to speak.
Mm-hmm.
utilize that.
Yes, right.
Utilize that in a meaningful way. Like some people are just speaking anything that does not make sense, you know.
Yes.
So you need to deliver anything that can be fruitful. So the next is your social adaptability is also an attribute which everyone, I think, it is more important when you are living in a society and when you are a social being like human. So such adaptability is very important, and that does not need anything specific. I think, as you are living in a society, that thing automatically comes in. If you go with the people, if you are indulging in society, and that thing does not need basically any specific preparation. Next one is cooperation. How you cooperate others. Like some people, they are saying that just their own things. All other people are fool in their eyes. They just do not cooperate anyone. Whether
Yes.
they are wrong, right, they just go on their way. So that thing should not be an attribute of the people. That thing should be eliminated if anyone is not cooperated. What are you used to adopt that cooperation attribute in any people?
I think it's in our.
You are correct. What do you think about yourself?
Um, I would say that I am very cooperative. If anyone says anything, like any kind of help from me, so I definitely want to do. And sometimes I would say that it's my weakness also. If someone is asking for any kind of help, so I would leave my work and I will try to help them first. So I am
Right.
this kind of person.
So what I think is being cooperative is if you are respecting the views of another person, that means simply mean you are cooperative. Means if you know that other person is delivering bad things, delivering wrong things, then also you first have to listen the another one, and then started and then you can start judge that person.
Yes, right.
First you have to listen their views, and basically you have to respect the views of others also.
Mm-hmm. Yes, right.
Yes. The next thing is responsibility. How responsible you are. If any task is given to you by your boss, then
I
you will
always
take.
try to do before time, it's kind of burden for me. Like if something is pending with me, so I can't sit silent or sit quietly. I have to finish my
Okay.
work first, then I will go for chill out or do something some other thing.
So you are very responsible person, right?
Yes, right.
Okay. Like I am not that much responsible right now. Basically, the thing is that if you want to be a responsible one, if any task is given to you, you should do it with integrity. You know, whether someone is watching you, someone is not watching you, that is the different thing. That
Mm-hmm.
should come from within that you have to complete this task.
Yes, yes.
That is responsibility, and not even in official way. If some responsibility is given to you by your parents and by anyone in society,
Mm-hmm.
then you have to also take care of them in the same way.
Yes, I'm not talking about only my job. Yeah, even in my personal life also, I'm very responsible. If my parents says anything that you have to do, Tanuja, you have to complete this by end of the day, so I will do it before time. Like
Yes,
it's
that
yes.
is a very good thing, and this attribute help not only in your office, like your this attribute help not only your boss. This also help to your family members, helpful
Mm-hmm.
to society. So this thing is very important.
Yes, right.
The next thing is initiating. how often, how dare you took initiatives?
I'm not that kind of person.
So, you have not took any initiative yet.
No, I
Like if
hesitate a lot.
you are in a group and a chance is given to a person to speak in front of group to deliver his thought or to deliver basically a quote to deliver a line quote, then you will be voluntary or not.
I was not that kind
And
of person, but
you
if
said that you want to improve your public speaking skills and a chance is given to you,
Mhm.
then you will go ahead or not.
Yes, if I'll get the chance, so I will definitely try. Nowadays, I'm just trying to, to build up my confidence, build up this habit. Like, yes, I can be socialized. So I will definitely try if I'll get the chance.
Okay. Like people say that I will try, I will definitely try, but when the actual moment comes, they do not come forward. That is also the thing. So
No,
that
no.
should not
Now I
be the
have
case.
decided, yes, I have to do. Yeah, it may be difficult for me because I haven't tried before in my school or college days. I haven't participated in any kind of voluntary work. So now it would be very difficult for me to do this thing. But I want to do.
Okay. So that is the only thing you can do for initiative. The next thing is self-confidence. You are trying to boost your self-confidence, this thing.
Yes.
Apart from this, are you doing anything else to boost your confidence level?
Yes, if I'm getting any kind of chance where I have to speak, or for example I'm meeting with my all friends, so I usually try to speak. Before that I was not speaking any single word, or if someone is asking me any question, then only I was able to speak or giving reply only. But now I'm just transforming myself. Like yes, I can do these things and um, I can do better.
Right. So these all are the attributes. There are some more like your decision speed, your how lively people you are, and how determined, as we already discussed, and stamina, how physically fit you are. Are you doing anything to become physically fit? Like as you
No,
are
I had.
already, but things need to be consistent. Like if I am looking fit, that's not mean I have not any disease or I will not prone to any disease in future. That is that thing
Yes,
need exercise and that thing need definitely need some physical work to do.
I had decided to go to gym, and I did for 3 or 4 months. But now I'm not consistent, and I left this.
Okay. So, being skinny is is better than being a fat person, I think, because you just need to increase your diet and
But
think
if you are fit, and obviously excessive for
just
anything
increase
is
your
not good.
and do some exercise like just do walking and not too heavy physical exercise
Mhm.
like running is not needed if you want to gain weight. You just need walking every day, like in morning and evening, and just increase your diet. That will work.
Yes, everyone says I don't look like that. I have 4 years of experience, and I have done my college and all these things.
Yes, you are looking like a 20, 21 years old girl only. Thing is courage. That is
Courage.
basically willing to dare or risk.
I am not that kind of person. I can't take risk, or
Like if
I can say
and
I.
like have you heard recently people have trapped inside the tunnel? That news is the burning issue. Have you heard? Like about 40 people. got trapped inside the tunnel in Uttarakhand. Anyways, I am telling you that 40 people got trapped inside the tunnel, and it has been almost 3 to 4 days. They are still inside, and government is trying to bring them out.
Mm-hmm.
So, if a chance given to you that only one person can go inside to take them out, then will you go?
I don't know.
Okay, that is the courage, and some people have stereotypes that girls are not that much courageous. That is not the thing nowadays. Not nowadays, that is not the thing even in ancient times. Girls are very courageous. They are even fighter pilot nowadays, and they are equally courageous to men. So
But I
that
have
thing,
seen like many girls have this kind of courage. They now they are able to do anything.
yes,
Like they just try to, do the equality of boys.
yes, yes. Even they are far ahead than boys in some cases.
Yes. But I don't have this kind of courage.
So you should imbibe that thing.
Hmm.
I want to say that apart from English speaking, there are many other attributes which play a very important role, very crucial role in an individual's life. People think that just focusing on speaking skill, speaking, speaking like enhancing your fluency and enhancing your communication skills will work. But you have to focus on your holistic development, on all attributes of a person that should be.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Right.
These are attributes, and there are many more. There are no limits of positive attributes.
Hmm.
These are the basic which a person should have.
Yes.
Anyways, if anyone of your viewer will want to imbibe these things, then these will definitely help him in whether it is in present time or in future. They are going to definitely help him.
Yes. Right.
So, anything other you want to ask?
I think
Okay,
this video is to.
in the last lecture, there was a unconditional situation in which the tutor asked me that if you have been given a chance to become disappear,
Hmm.
like you think about Mr. India, if you have been given a chance to become Mr. India, then what thing you will do first? That
Okay.
was the
So
question asked by tutor.
I
I am
want to visit.
asking.
I want to visit like any places that are that I can't go as of now. So I would like to go international and yeah, some of the restricted area like
Like
CM or
you are
PM house.
can physically also go to other countries. That does not need to be Miss India.
Oh, but
You know, I'm
we
speaking.
don't need to do any formality for doing this thing.
Okay. So you just sit in flight and fly away. Huh?
And yeah, I want to go on in CM or PM house as well, like how they live and all these things.
Okay, great.
And what
So,
about you?
like I replied to the tutor that time that if I got the opportunity, the first thing I will do is to go close to my favorite animal, that is cheetah.
Hmm.
Cheetah, you know, na? I will be closer to him. Like I want to see him from very close. Yes, I cannot touch. I will not be able to touch him, but I want to see him in his natural environment, in
Okay.
his natural ecosystem, not in zoo or anything like that.